Hi YouTube friends, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and today we are going to talk about the polynomial long divisions. Are you ready? So join us! Hi YouTube friends, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and today we are going to see our class number 4 of 4. All right, let's see our opening. Our channel is Mathematics Without Frontiers. And here we have classes of physics, mathematics, and English in two versions, one version in English and the other version in Portuguese. All right? Well, before starting our polynomial long division, I want to do with you a very brief review, all right, about addition rules of signs, multiplication rules of signs, and also exponent properties, okay? So let's do the first one. Well, if you want to sum two numbers of the same sign, all right, you add the numbers and keep the same sign. If they are positive, the result is going to be positive. If they are negative, the result is going to be negative. But if the numbers you want to sum are of different signs, you have to subtract them and give the sign of the largest number, all right? So if the largest is positive, the result is going to be positive. And if the largest is negative, the result is going to be negative. But don't forget, you subtract the numbers and give the sign of the largest number, all right? So this is the addition rules of signs. Multiplication, well, we used to do like this. Plus and plus is plus. Minus and minus is plus. And also, plus and minus is minus. Minus and plus is minus. All right, so memorize this. Don't forget this because we are going to use it very much in division. And now, product of powers of the same base. All right, see what we do here. If we have the product of powers of the same base, we keep the base of the power and add the exponents. Only this. Keep the base and add the exponents. All right, and division. Division of the powers of the same base. And here, what we have to do, if we have a division of the powers of the same base, you keep the base and subtract the exponents. All right? So don't forget, these things here are very important for division of the polynomials. All right? So finally, let's start the long polynomial divisions. Okay? Question number 1. Find the long division for the polynomials below. So question A, 2x cubed minus 9x plus 19x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 3. Let's prepare the division. Okay. All right. So one very important thing to remember. We are going to take 3 steps. Okay. 1, divide. 2, multiply. 3, subtract. We are going to do 1, 2, and 3 steps as many times as necessary. All right. So let's start by division. Well, division is always done between the leading terms of each polynomial. All right. So I'm going to divide 2x cubed by 2x, and the result I'm going to write up here. Okay. So see. 2x cubed divided by 2x is x squared. And now, second step, multiply. So x squared times 2x, I'm going to write down here, okay? But don't forget, step 3 is subtraction. So see what I did. I multiplied x squared by 2x. The result is 2x cubed. And the negative sign is over here because step 3 is subtraction. Okay, let's multiply x squared by minus 3. Okay, so x squared times minus 3 is minus 3x squared. Okay, like this. But don't forget one point. This is minus 2x cubed and this is plus 3x squared. Okay, let's operate. Okay, 2x cubed here minus 2x cubed is over. It is 0. Okay, so I can eliminate them. Okay, so cancel. And now let's operate. Minus 9x squared plus 3x squared. All right, so it's gonna be minus 6x squared. Okay, and now plus 19x comes down like this. And now let's redo the 3 steps. Okay, so let's divide minus 6x squared by 2x. All right, it is minus 3x. Okay, and now minus 3x is going to multiply. This is the step 3. The step 2 is going to multiply by 2x. So minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. X times x is x squared. All right, so see, minus 6x squared, and this minus here is step 3 already. Okay, now let's multiply minus 3x by minus 3. Okay, minus and minus is plus. 3 times 3 is 9, so it is plus 9x like this. Okay, now let's operate step 3, subtraction. So see, minus 6x squared plus, remember this is plus 6x squared is over because it is 0. And now this is minus 9x. Okay, so plus 19x minus 9x is 10x. All right, now let's write minus 15 down here. Okay, and let's redo the 3 steps. Okay, so 10x divided by 2x. Well, 10 divided by 2 is plus 5. And x divided by x is over. Okay, so plus 5. Now, step 2. Let's multiply. Plus 2 by 2x. It is 10x. But don't forget, step 3 is minus. Okay, it's subtraction, so minus is already there. Okay, let's multiply. Plus 5 by minus 3. It is minus 15. All right, and don't forget, this is minus 10x and this is plus 15. Let's operate. 10x minus 10x is 0. Okay, so it is over. And minus 15 plus 15 is also 0, so it is over too. Okay, so the quotient is x squared minus 3x plus 5. And 0 is the remainder. All right, so our result is that 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 19x minus 15 divided by 2x minus 6 minus 3 is x squared minus 3x plus 5. This is a perfect division because the remainder is 0. Let's see, let's do question B. I want to divide 3x cubed plus 10x squared minus x minus 16 divided by 3x plus 4. Okay, let's prepare the division this way. And also don't forget to take 3 steps. 1, divide. 2, multiply. 3, subtract. All right, and don't forget you have always to take the division between this leading term by this leading term. All right, so 3 divided by 3 is 1. X cubed divided by x is x squared, and don't forget you write here in line. Okay, so we have x squared. Okay, now step 2, let's multiply. So x squared times 3x, we will have 3x cubed, but step 3 is subtraction. So you see, this sign is already here because next step is going to be a subtraction. All right, but don't forget to multiply x squared by plus 4. So it is plus 4x squared. All right, let's operate the step 3, subtraction. So look, 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. So it's going to be eliminated like this. It's going to be canceled like this. And don't forget, this is minus 4. So plus 10x squared minus 4x squared is 6x squared. And now minus x comes down. Okay, and let's redo steps 1, 2, and 3. Divide, multiply, and subtract. So the leading term, 6x squared, is going to divide 3x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X squared divided by x is x. So I have plus 2x. Now step 2, multiply. Okay, so plus 2 times 3 is plus 6. X times x is x squared. So you see, minus here because step 3 is minus, all right? Is subtraction, I mean. Okay, so this is minus 6x squared. And plus 2x times plus 4 is plus 8x. This way. You see? Now let's operate. Don't forget, this is minus 6x squared and this is minus 8x, all right? So 6x squared minus 6x squared is 0. Okay, so we can cancel them. And minus x minus 8x is minus 9x. All right, and now minus 16 comes down like this. And we are going to redo steps 1, 2, and 3. Dividing the leading term here, minus 9x, by 3x. Well, minus 9x divided by 3x, well, minus 9 divided by 3 is minus 3. X divided by x is over. All right, so minus 3 is the answer. Now let's take step 2. Let's multiply. Minus 3 times 3x is minus 9x. Remember, this minus here is because of step 3. All right, let's multiply. Minus 3 times plus 4, it is minus 12. Okay, but don't forget, this is plus 9x and this is plus 12. Let's operate. So minus 9x plus 9x is 0. So, and minus 16 plus 12 is minus 4. All right, so x squared plus 2x minus 3 is the quotient, and minus 4 is the remainder. So the result is 3x cubed plus 10x minus x minus 16 divided by 3x plus 4 is x squared plus 2x minus 3 plus minus 4 divided by 3x plus 4. All right, question B is done. Let's go to question C. Now I want to divide 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x plus 38 by 2x plus 5. Let's prepare. All right. Now, don't forget, you always have to do this. I always have to take steps 1, 2, and 3. Divide, multiply, and subtract. All right. And also, don't forget, the division is always done between the leading terms. Okay. So 4x cubed divided by 2x. Well, 4 divided by 2 is 2. X cubed divided by x is x squared. And so x squared is here in this line. All right. So I will have 2x squared. Now step 2, multiplication. So let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times x is x cubed. So I have 4x cubed. Step 3 is subtraction. So the sign is already here. Okay, let's multiply. 2x squared by plus 5. Well, plus and plus is plus. 2 times 5 is 10. X squared. So I have plus 10x squared. All right, now let's operate. Step 3. Well, 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. So cancel that. All right, and this is minus 10 plus 2x squared minus 10x squared plus 2x squared is minus 8x squared. All right, now minus 8x comes down. All right, and now let's redo division, multiplication, and also subtraction again. Okay, don't forget, leading term, always. So minus 8x squared divided by 2x is minus 4x. Okay, this is step 1. Step 2, multiplication. minus 4x times 2x. Well, minus and plus is minus. 4 times 2 is 8. X times x is x squared. So I have minus 8x squared. This minus here is because of step 3. Don't forget. All right. Now, let's multiply. Minus 4x times plus 5x. Plus 5, sorry. And minus and plus is minus. 4x times 5 is 20x. All right? Like this. Don't forget. This is plus 8. This is plus 20. So minus 8x squared plus 8x squared is 0. So let's operate. This is 0. And minus 8x plus 20x is 12x. All right. And now plus 38 comes down. Okay. Let's go on. Let's redo the steps 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So 12x divided by 2x is plus 6. All right. Now let's multiply. So step 2. Plus 6 times 2x is 12x. And this minus here is because of step 3. All right. Now let's multiply. Plus 6 times plus 5. It is plus 30. And so here, step 3 says subtraction. So this is minus 12x. This is minus 30. All right. Let's operate. 12x minus 12x is 0. Plus 38 minus 30 is 8. All right. So 2x squared minus 4x plus 6 is our quotient. All right. Just 1 second. Okay. And also 8 is our remainder. So the result is 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x plus 38 divided by 2x plus 5 is 2x squared minus 4x plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2x plus 5. All right, so question C is done. It's already finished. Let's go and see question D, our last question of today. 8x cubed minus 2x squared minus 23x minus 10 divided by 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Let's prepare. Okay. And of course, I'm sure you are already used it to take the 3 steps. 1, divide. 2, multiply. 3, subtract. Okay. And let's do the division of the leading terms of one polynomial and the other one. Okay. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. X cubed divided by x squared is x. But x family is here. You see? So you're going to write in this line. All right. In this direction. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. X cubed divided by x squared is x. Okay, so step 1 is done. Let's see step 2, multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8. X times x squared is x cubed. Okay, so let's write down here. And this minus is because of step 3. Okay, now let's go on and multiply. 4x times minus 3x, okay, it's going to be minus 12x squared, okay, and finally 4x times minus 2, it is minus 8x. All right, let's operate. Let's do step 3. Okay, don't forget, this is minus 8, this is plus 12, this is plus 8. So 8x cubed minus 8x cubed is 0, so it is over. Okay, and minus 2x squared plus 12x squared is 10x squared. Here, minus 23x plus 8x is minus 15x. Okay, now let's see minus 10 down here. Okay, and now let's redo steps again. 1, 2, and 3. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Okay, the leading term by the leading term. 10 divided by 2 is plus 5. X squared divided by x squared is over. So we have only plus 5. Now step 2, let's multiply. Plus 5 times 2x squared is 10x squared. Don't forget, this is step 3, okay? And now let's go on multiplying. Plus 5 times minus 3x is minus 15x, all right? And finally, plus 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. But don't forget about subtraction, step 3. So this is, in fact, this is minus 10, this is plus 15, and this is plus 10. So let's do step 3. Okay, well, 10x squared minus 10x squared is over. It is 0. Minus 15x plus 15x is also 0. So it is also over. Minus 10 plus 10 is 0. It is also over. So 4x plus 5 is the quotient, and 0 is the remainder. All right, so we have another perfect division, okay? So 8x cubed minus 2x squared minus 23x minus 10 divided by 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 is a perfect division. So it is 4x plus 5, okay? Because the remainder is 0, okay? My friends, thank you very much for watching our video until the end. Well, don't forget to subscribe our channel, to share this video with your brothers, with your sisters, with your neighbors, with your parents, with your classmates, all right? And everybody you love. And also give us your like. It is quite very important for us. I am Teacher Regy Safadão, wishing you an excellent week. See you. Bye-bye.
That's all, folks.